Hi guys, myself Gagan. I'm here to explain Introduction to Hydroelectric Power. The hydroelectric power is a renewable energy source. The harnessing the power from the flowing water to generate an electricity. This is the procedure of hydroelectric power. It is a significant contribution to a global energy production and powering the millions of homeless and businesses. Let us see what is hydroelectric power. The hydroelectric power relies on the continuous cycle of the water evaporation and precipitation and river flow. The harness the water power. It involves the building dams to create reservoirs and which controls the water flow and drives the turbines and connected to the generator. The hydroelectric power generates the electricity without re, um, rising the harms are essentials to the atmospheres. Let us see how the hydroelectric power works. First, the water flows from the higher elevations to other lower elevations to create the kinetic energy. Then the flow of water turns the turbine and build the kinetic energy and convert the kinetic energy into a mechanical energy. Later the rotating turbine which is connected to the generator which converts the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. This is how the electricity is generated from the water to the electricity, which is the procedure is called the hydroelectric power generation. Let us see the advantages of hydroelectric power. The hydroelectric power relies on the continuous water cycle and makes it sustainable energy source. And it produces the electricity without emitting the greenhouse gas and contribution to the clear environment. The hydroelectric power plants can generate the electricity continuously and providing the stable energy supply. The hydroelectric power plants can create and stimulate the local economy, can increase the stimulate the local economy. The disadvantages of hydroelectric power. The dam constructions can disrupt the ecosystem and alternate the nature water flow pattern. And building the hydroelectric dams requires the significant investments which can be a barrier to the development. Not all areas are suitable for hydroelectric power, the limiting the wide spreading of implementations. These are the key disadvantages of hydroelectric. Let us see the types of hydroelectric power plants. There are two types of hydroelectric power plants, the run of the river and pumped storages. These plants utilizes the natural flow of the river, minimizing the impact on the ecosystem. The pumped storages, these plants stores the excess electricity by pumping the water and releasing the generating the power during the pumping of the water and which is connected to the turbines after with the forced water which is passed through an turbine. It will later the turbine will rotate and generate the electricity. This is the let us see the major hydroelectric power plants producing countries. The China produces the the hydroelectric power plants is done in the China widely, and the second is done in the Brazil, and the third place is occupied by the Canada, and fourth is occupied by the United States. The installation capacity in the gigawatts, the China occupies the first place and the second place goes to the Brazil, and the Canada occupies the third place by the 80 installations, and the United States occupies the fourth position by installing the 80 hydroelectric power plants, and China installs the 370 hydroelectric power plants in a year, and the Brazil as the crossed the century hydroelectric power plants in installation. Let us see the environmental impact of the hydroelectric power plants. The habitat fragmentation. The dam can obstruct the fishing management and disrupt the aquatic ecosystem. The water quality changes. The reservoirs can be trapped sediments and alternating the water quickly, and affect the downstream of the ecosystem. The greenhouse gas emission. Although the considering the clean, some emissions from the dam, the construction and reservoirs during the flooding is done. Let us see the features of the hydroelectric power plants. The efficient improvement, the technological advantagement are leading the more efficient turbines and generators and increasing the energy of the output. The sustainable practices. They enhance the responsibility of the dam designing and operation, minimizing the environmental impacts and enhance the sustainability. Innovation solutions. The new technologies such as small scale hydro and pumping storages can lead the innovation solutions for the hydroelectric power. These are the key features of the hydroelectric power plants. Let us see the conclusion of our topic. The hydroelectric power plants that remains a vital source of clean and renewable energy. While its an advantages are numerous, the responsibility of developing and mitigations of potential environmental impacts are crucial for its long-term sustainability. Thank you.